hiccups, man.
Explain this again. What are you doing?
Look.
Why are you doing a handstand?
I'm doing a handstand. I had the hiccups. And in order to get the hiccups out, y'all laughing, but serious. In order to get the hiccups out, everybody always say, hold your breath, drink water. That's cool. That's cool. But that don't work all the time. What you need to do...
Nigga, you on YouTube, man. Chill, cuz.
What you want to do, because you have the pipe right here, this clog. That's why you hiccup. So in order to unclog it, see, like a hiccup now, you gotta reverse yourself. So everything will flow the other way. So watch how this works.
We're watching.
Watch how this works.
You gotta get closer to the wall. Get closer to the wall.
They gone now. They gone.
Watch it, cuz. Come on. Alright. Watch it. Alright. Uh-oh. I just did one.
Y'all fucking killed me right now.